So now we're going to start to clean up our drawings and get rid of some of the bits we don't want to see when we're finally viewing these drawings on our sheets. This is really preparing our drawings and cleaning them up. So the first thing I'm going to do is start looking at the ground floor and first floor view. So in the ground floor view, the first thing I want to do is when I'm looking at a ground floor layout drawing, all I really want to see is the layout of the rooms and the outline of the building. I don't want to see the elevation symbols and these section symbols. I don't need to see the boundary either. So to start off with, I'm going to go into my properties box and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find extents. When I see extents, I'm going to click on crop view and crop region visible. And what this does is it brings this big blue line. So you can see when I unclick the crop region and hit apply, it disappears. And then when I click on it and hit apply, it appears again. So with this then, I can now start dragging this in. And I want to bring this in fairly close to the outline of the drawing that I want to keep. So I'm just getting rid of all the outside bits and just bringing up these inside bits here. Once I've done that, I now want to get rid of this box around the outside. So again, I just uncheck this crop region visible. Yep. And then click apply, and now the box disappears around the outside. Now I've still got this section box line through here. Sometimes we'll need that if we want to see where the section's actually running through. For this instance, I want a nice clean drawing, so I want to get rid of that. So in order to do that, I'm just going to scroll back to the top here, and in graphics, I've got this visibility graphics overrides, and I want to click into there. Once I'm into there, I don't want model categories because that's actual components within the drawing. I want this annotation categories. So the second tab across from the left, click onto that. And because what I want to get rid of is this section, 2D section line through here, I need to scroll down to find section. I can keep scrolling, or I can just start typing in section, and then you can see it comes down to here. So with sections, uncheck that box, and then click apply, and then you'll be able to see that section line here just disappear, and then click OK. So now my ground floor drawing is a lot cleaner than where it should be. Yep. So that's now ready to go onto my sheet. And I could do the same with my first floor. So exactly the same process again. I won't show you because you've already seen it once, but do exactly the same process for that. When it comes to doing things like your elevations, we can now start going to our elevations. Similar kind of thing, really. With our elevations, we wouldn't really see the foundations in our elevations, so we'd want to get rid of that lot up to where our topography starts. That's normally where you would see an elevation. So to do that, again, it's going to scroll down, pick up the crop view box and this crop region visible box. Click on that and click apply. And again, this box appears around the outside. So for this, then I'm going to bring this in from the side to about there somewhere. Bring this one in. Just bring it in, it's about there somewhere. The top one's not too bad, bring it down maybe a touch. So this bottom one now, I'm going to bring this one here up so that it's just on the underside of that course of bricks there. That's where I want it to sit. Yep. Once I've done that, again, uncheck that so that I can now get rid of that box. Now I'm now left with my topography level, and the rest of the drawing is fairly neat. I now want to get rid of these level lines. So to do that, again, scroll back up to the top in your properties box and find this visibility graphics overrides. Once I've found that, click on there, back into annotation categories. This time they're levels, so I'm going to start typing in levels. And where are we? Levels, there it is. Double click on levels. Once I've clicked on levels, click apply, and you can see those disappear, and then click OK. And again, this drawing now has been cleaned up and it's ready to be put onto a sheet. And I can do the same for any of these drawings as well. Same with my sections, so I can do exactly the same thing. So when you open up a section, this outer box to this, what you would normally come down and find this crop view box, this is always on here on a section box. Onto this one here, really all I want to get rid of is the levels. So again, go into my visibility graphics overrides, annotation, go into levels, uncheck that, click apply, and OK. And if I want to get rid of this box, just click on the, don't click the box, just click it so to get it to where you want, how much of it you want to actually remove. So in a section, we'd want to see a section through the foundation. Scroll down, and this crop region, just unclick on that, click apply, and it gets rid of the box around the outside of it. And again, we've now tidied up our section view as well. So that's how we go about tidying up our drawings, and importantly, using this visibility graphics overrides. So this visibility graphics overrides, this is where you can get rid of a lot of different things, a lot of different components within a drawing or markings on a drawing that we don't actually want to see in the final drawing.